In this video, I'll show you how to turn off developer options on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. On the Additional Settings page, scroll down and tap on Developer Options. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toggle switch for developer options. Simply turn the toggle off. Once disabled, all developer features, including USB debugging and other advanced settings, will be turned off. If you need these features again in the future, you can return to developer options and enable them at any time. Turning off developer options can help prevent accidental changes to advanced system settings and keep your device running normally. That's it! You have successfully turned off developer options on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.